The two-piece cavalli. He eat me hibachi.
So, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tai, aka GlamByTai. I'm back with another video, and today I'm bringing y'all a VDay look. Happy Valentine's Day. I should have started off the video with saying Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. I hope that y'all enjoy your day. If you're anti-Valentine's Day, then just fuck it, you know? Just do something today that makes you happy. Like, just, I don't know, take a bubble bath. I really don't. I didn't even have any lashes, and I wasn't gonna do a makeup look at all because I'm not really celebrating Valentine's Day this year, so fuck it. The gloss that I am wearing today is a Sephora gloss called Bubblegum, and it looks like this. I hope you guys really enjoy this video because it was not planned. I want to call this look Supernova, but that's because of the gloss. You feel me? Like, I don't know. It wasn't planned. I didn't even have any eyelashes. I just wanted to put something together for you guys for Valentine's Day, just so you can see my face again. You feel me, sis? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video. We're almost at 2K. Talk to me the fuck nice, okay?